But you should get more specific when choosing your niche. Let's say you have a site about technology. That's great, but technology is a whole universe. So what kind of technology do you write about? If you have to think too much to answer that question, then you need to narrow down and get more specific about the kind of technology your site shows content. Let me ask you another question. Do you know who do you writing for? Have you ever thought about what is the purpose of your website? You may be writing about all kinds of technology, but what kind of technology are you most passionate about? You may be writing about new technological advances that are to come. It is also possible that the way you write is very technical and is aimed to a specific audience. If so, you have managed to be specific about your niche. This is very different from, for example, a site that reviews basic commercial technology. The idea that I want you to get out of this is that even though you speak of a broad niche such as technology, you can make a niche more specific simply by using a style of language that only a certain audience can understand. This can even lead you to a point where you are creating a new niche. It is very important that you are consistent with your specific niche and style. In this way, you will be able to transform your site into something unique that no other site can offer. Sites that keep this mindset are the sites that happen to stand out from the crowd and be successful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get much more free and valuable internet marketing information on a regular basis. Also make sure you subscribe to alert to be informed before other users when I publish a new content to this channel. Thanks again and goodbye.